Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's poster had a photo like this. I reverse engineered it to bring it back to its original. So it's not perfect, but the poster basically, I believe, made a copy like this, duplicated it. So now I got two copies right here. Took the top layer, went to Image, Transform, and Skew, and probably brought this down to about here. Now what you see here is the photo on top, but you see the copy in the back. See, the copy back here is still in its original format, and that's what I believe what this poster did. In our case, what we want to do is actually leave that copy in the back. Bring the forefront copy that you just skewed, right? And then literally to fix this, just take an eraser, make it really big, like, I don't know, like 400 points. See how big that is? And watch what happens when I erase the top layer along the line. Look at that. Your line disappears. Now you do have a little bit of cloud coverage here that's duplicated. In that case, all you got to do is take the smudge brush and let's get a big brush at about 250 points. Let's choose the bottom layer, and I'm just going to just smudge this cloud just a tiny bit like that, so that it doesn't look exactly like the top one. And that's all there is to it. We can even drag this one out a little bit like that. And once that's done, you got the two layers, the bottom layer and the top layer. There's no lines that you see. I'm going to right click up here. I'm going to merge down. So now it's just one image. Take the cropping tool, and I'm just going to crop the image one more time like this. And that's all there is to it. That's how to fix the line. That's it for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.